Before I published this video, I knew it will go viral. That's because while I was creating it, I kept in mind these 3 key elements that make a viral video. And today, I'm gonna share them with you. The first one is the thumbnail and the title synergy. Today, it's not enough to just have a good thumbnail or to have a good title, or both. It's simply not enough. For your video to take off, there needs to be a specific synergy between the title and the thumbnail. Specifically, the title should set a specific story of the video and the thumbnail should expand on it. The thumbnail should not repeat the title. Together, they should create a story that is appealing and interesting so the viewer clicks on the video. For example, this is exactly what I'm doing right now. The title sets the expectation that this video is going to go viral, and then the thumbnail expands on that. So recap, the thumbnail and the title need to create a specific synergy, so together they create an incentive to click. Now the second thing, which you've probably already heard, but I'm going to explain it differently. You see, most of the videos today on YouTube are either boring, repetitive, unoriginal, or just unvaluable. For example, the average video about business today is just the same guy repeating the same things over and over again. So you need to stand out from these exact videos. So if you will stand out from this, if you actually can give value in your videos, as I'm doing exactly right now, your video will stand out from the rest and thus take off and go viral. Your video also needs to be pleasant to watch. There should be no background noise, that's the worst thing you can do, and the visual side should be clean and smooth. Now the third and most important element is the hook, aka the first 30 seconds of a video. Now you probably know this graph. It's the audience retention graph of every YouTube video in existence. And you can see that most of the viewers click off the video in its first 30 seconds. So your job is to keep the most viewers watching throughout the first 30 seconds of a video. So what actually makes a good video hook? The first thing, which is probably obvious but a lot of people don't do it, is that it should look good. There should be a lot of editing, you should put the most work into the hook. The second thing is that the hook should not sound off topic. You need to understand that when a viewer sees your video, they have a certain expectation or a certain impression from the title and the thumbnail. So the beginning of the video needs to reinforce that impression, otherwise your video will look clickbaity or off topic and they will simply click off, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. Using the title and the thumbnail, I have set an expectation for the video, and during the beginning of the video, I expanded on that. So these were the 3 key elements that make a viral video. You can tell me in the comments which one of these tips did you find the most helpful. If you want me to design you a thumbnail similar to the one of this video, visit my website. Link is in the description, and goodbye.